Alright guys, huge candy haul for me to share with you guys. Just look at all this candy from the Japan candy box. I love it so much. Okay, so let's try these ones first. I opened the packaging before recording this, so it's not like that long. But let's try these ones. Okay, so the first ones are these peach candy. These are so good. I love peach so much. So I got these ones. I think these are called Haichus. I apologize if I'm saying that wrong, but alright, it comes in this little thing. Oh my god, okay, wait. Let me open it. Oh, look at these ones. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I think it comes in 2 different flavors. Oh my god, it comes with blueberry and green. It's blue and green. Love it. Spicy popcorn. Let's try the spicy popcorn. Yeah, that's spicy, but it's okay. We can handle the spice. We can handle the spice. All right, so this one is